welcome back to the channel. Today is 106th day of recording myself. So I'm on my roof. You can see this is my roof, and all the paintings which you are seeing, all from here to like there, I have made it, and it took me 2 days to complete all the rangolis, and I have all completed all these rangoli with paint. So many of you were asking that from where I am. So that I think I can answer that. I am from Bihar. My name is Juhi Kumari, and I am from Bihar. So for your kind information, I'm just letting you know that I'm from Bihar. And so let's back on the topic. I was talking about the rangolis, of course. If you will see how beautifully I made all the rangolis. Look at this, and all of that. These all are like I made it with paint. If you'll see, all is made of paint. So I once in a year I do these things on every Diwali. When Diwali is about to come, I start to paint all my like this on Dhanteras. It took me 2 days to complete. It means on the Choti Diwali I have completed all my work. And along with that, I have also painted this one, and from there also I painted it, and these boundaries too. So I think when I was okay, we don't call any painter to paint our house. We all do it with our hands. We don't spend money on this. So once when my room was getting painted, which my father does, he was like, I was very curious that I want to do this. If I can make this type of rangoli, why I can't paint? I was just fighting with my father that I will do this. And let me paint. He was denying to me that no, you are not allowed to paint. I was like, I just requested my mother, Mommy, please tell him to give me honor to like paint it. Most of you were thinking that what is good in that? Why you are just becoming stubborn to paint? That is not which you feel interesting about, feel happy about. But I think whatever I just make, like for the whatever I cook food. So whenever I prepare food, when I like it tastes delicious, I just keep on asking to all my family member, how is it, tell me. They are like, good, tasty. And the satisfaction I got, like I feel very happy when someone praise me for anything, even it is small. So I was just curious to like, I want to paint it. But he was like, no, I will not let you paint. Then I was like, I requested my mother to give me time so that I can show my creativity. And she was like, give her a chance. So my father told me, okay, I will let you paint, but just paint the area which is not visible. I was like, okay. So I was doing the ceiling, because ceiling is generally we paint ceiling generally in white color, and there was also white color earlier. So I was like, let's try from there only. And when I painted, I just he was painting another wall, and I took the other color and start painting the other wall. Then it surprisingly it was like very nice. I painted it very nicely. So I was like, look at this. Have you done this kind of work? I was just telling to my father. He was like, you're doing good. So the very next day, from that day I've started to paint, and I have just painted it all. there was, and it was like very tiring for me also. It was, I get tired, my hands were like paining a lot, like I was continuously doing that. I have also recorded that video when I was painting. That time I was painting ceiling only, the covered ceiling. So I have also recorded that time. If you will see like videos of before Diwali I have uploaded, so in that video I was painting, but I was not using the colors, like I was only using white color that time. From very next day I did my room, I painted my room, I painted all these areas, and I also, after that, I made this all these rangolis. So I made rangolis generally once in a year. So it is, I do it on the Diwali. I've already told you. I don't know why there is just something is fit into my mind. Why I keep on repeating things. I don't know why, but let it be. So I did that, and when my mother and my sister, my elder sister and my mother, they both do Chhat Puja, which is one of the famous, very famous and very important festival of Bihar. My mother and my sister both does that. So when they are on the second day, like on the Kharna, many people come at our house to visit, to have prasad. I don't know what to call prasad in English right now. I don't know, but I will surely like search it. What do we call it? If you know, please do let me know in the comment section. So I was doing that. Many children come on that day, and they were like, wow, very nice. They were showing to their mother, mommy, look at this roof is looking like. They were talking in Hindi. I'm not saying everyone, let it be. They were like, it is looking very nice, very cute, and very, they praised me a lot. Eventually they don't know that who has painted it, but I was the one who does that, and they were just telling to their mother that it is looking very nice. And one more thing, in Diwali we cover our roof with lights, and so in that light it was like glowing. So they praised me, and I was feeling happy. That was the whole story of this. I don't know what I have just told. So, but you must be thinking why I am not answering question. So let me tell you one thing, is that today I'm going to upload 3 videos. So one is this, which is like I'm practicing right now. This is my practice video. I thought of, okay, I am just going to answer WH question, many WH question, but how I am going to like narrate my story and whatever I do, that is like, that become, when I will talk about that video, like WH question, that is also a practice video, but that is, I feel like it is kind of like scripted, that I am getting something which I'm reading, and then I'm answering in my own word. I'm not saying that I'm also cheating the answer. I'm not doing that. I was not doing that in last video also, but I thought of recording, like telling my stories. These are the things. This is like, for me, this is real conversation, and we need to indulge ourselves in real conversation. That will give us motivation. So I am doing that. I thought of why I'm not recording like that. I need to do that. So I did that. And this is called Dora. I have also painted it. I don't know how many things I will tell today. So this was the whole story. And in night, again I will take right now I don't have another phone. My brother is taking class. He's just attending class. He is also practicing English, so he is using his phone. And My sister, they both are using phone. Everyone is using. They all were busy in something. Like I am busy right now in my phone. Like that. They similarly they are also busy. So once they get free, and I will get another mobile, means phone, cell phone, then I will record myself, like reading questions, and then I answering in my own way. So many of you were asking that how we are going to learn English and many things. English means you are talking about spoken English. So I don't know, I'm not a tutor. I'm not tutor. You must have known that. It means you all know that I'm not a tutor. I'm just a learner. I'm still learning. I am on the journey of learning. I created this channel just to record myself and post video of myself so that I get little confidence in myself. So I can only tell you what I have done to like become little fluent. I'm not that fluent, but I feel that I just become little fluent, little more fluent. So I can only share my story, what I have done, what I have not done. So the very first day when I was recording, I was like, what I am going to speak for 10 minutes. When you will just watch my first video, I was there I was just taking so many pauses, was stopping the video, that I was thinking, I was taking so much time to think what I'm going to say next. And before starting the video, I have also I have done scripting, that these are the things which I'm going to speak and everything. I thought so many things that day. And I was taking pauses too, like too much pauses I was taking. I am taking pauses like in this video also, but in starting I was thinking a lot and I was taking too much pauses, and my grammar were not in good thing. I just don't care about the grammar in starting. And the next so I was unable to speak continuously with for 10 minutes, but I was doing scripting and I was writing. I was then I from the second day, from the third day, that was like from third day my struggle starts, that I was thinking a lot. Then I thought of why not narrating a story. So on the third day I just need to sit here. So on the third day I thought of why not reading children books and narrating the same story in my own ways. So I have done all that for like 1.5 months. I have taken the children English novel and English books, science book, whatever, where there is like story or a knowledgeable thing, whatever is there in the book. I just took a book from my cousin. Like she is little, she is a child, by the way. So I took her book and I just read out the story. So that time I was also doing reading practice, writing practice, and along with that I was explaining the same thing whatever I am reading. So I took the book, I read the chapter out loud, and then I started to record myself. I narrated the same story in my own language, that what I have just read, and I just explain all that chapters in my own way, in my own sentence. So I was doing, in starting I was doing that, and then after doing, like I done it for 1.5 months, and then I get an idea that how, and in between I keep on sharing story, what I'm doing, what I'm not doing to practice grammar or English, whatever. So I was doing in between, so I get an idea of how to talk. Like it's been 14 minutes now and I'm continuously talking because of that practice which I have done earlier. So I don't know how much I will talk, but I and just keep on talking. Whatever I feel, this is called practice. So, sir, the teacher from which I am learning, like I have recently joined his channel. I'm not paying. I'm just consuming his free contents which he has provided on his channel. So I'm just the name of the channel is Persona Institute, and I'm attending all the live sessions. I'm not watching the scripted videos over there. I'm just learning from his live channels, means live videos, whatever he is giving, he is providing us. So today was the 14th day of today was the 14th day of what to say. Look, this is the problem which I'm getting. Today was the 14th day of attending his class, and then after I was so this was the thing which I was doing, and along with that I was doing mirror practice. I does everything which I needed to like speak more fluent. I'm still not fluent right now, but I just become this much confidence is there inside me that I am able to convey messages to everyone out there or to everyone which is in my home. So I am able to communicate. So that was the thing which I have done, and along with that, what I have done, the other thing which I have done, and other than that, I don't think I have done much. Like starting I was very scared of grammar. I was like, if I'm going to touch grammar, I'm not going to learn anything, I'm not going to speak, because I thought of that grammar is very confusing and it will confuse me more. So I was not touching grammar at all. I was like, I'm so sorry, I'm not going to touch grammar section right now. So once I get like, I was feeling, there was a feeling inside me that now I can some of the video they have told me that you need to know about verb, and everybody's were some of the members told me, some people told me, you need to work upon, let me try to be honest. I try to be honest that I was talking to Google Gemini. So I was using the microphone, I was tapping like this, the home screen, the middle button of home screen. I keep it like tapped it, and then I used microphone and tried to talk with the Google Gemini. Hi Google Gemini, how are you? How you are doing? I want to, can you be my English speaking partner for some time? So it was like, yes, I can talk to you. So I was instructing him to keep asking questions so that I can improve my English and spoken English. So it was like bang on. So I did practice from there also, and there I got to know that my sentence structure and my grammar is not good. So I was like, how to, like, now I am able to communicate, at least I am able to communicate with the Google Gemini, and I need to work upon the things which I have, which which Gemini is telling me to correct. So I was like, let's start with the verb first. So I was I was like, from where to know, I got to know the Dear Sir channel, and from there I have learned about is MR, was, where to use was and where to use where. I was not knowing anything. I was in if we'll talk about written English, my written English is very nice, and I can surely say that my written English is very nice, but when it comes to spoken English, I was not able to utter a single sentence. So that was the problem which I was facing, and whenever I I was talking to the Google Gemini, it was like, you are doing grammatical mistake, you need to work upon these particular area. It was like suggesting me to where I have to correct myself. So I was like, if he is giving me instruction to follow these area and correct these particular areas, I was like, I need to do that, because I want to become fluent, and this is my goal, and still this is my goal, that I want to be very fluent, because of some reason. I have already told you about a person, about a woman. She was like very rude to me when she was we had a quarrel with each other, and she was bang on in English. She was like, I was fighting with her, but listening to her English, I was get mesmerized. I was like dying. But she started to insult me right then and there. She was like, if you have completed this much, and you have like qualifications up to here, and whatever she was saying, just talk to me in English. She was like, talk to me in English. If you don't want, yeah, she started to insult me that I don't know English. But I was like, I know what to say, but why I'm not able to like speak. That was the time I get very frustrated, and I was feeling very insulting about that time. That why I was just frustrating. I get frustrated of myself, my own self, that why I'm not able to speak. I know what I need to like answer, then why I was not able to utter any word. So that from that day I was like, I need to work upon this, I need to work upon this, I need to work upon this. But how, I don't know. I have no idea how to start learning English without like spending money. Because I've thought, my elder sister, she has done several classes of English, and still she was like not able to speak. So I was little confused there, that she has spent a lot of money on learning English, but she's still not able to. Then what? I don't want to insult her right now. The main problem with her was, she has studied from the like government school, and we were the one who have studied from like CBSE board. So we have little knowledge of everything when it comes to English. So this was her problem when which she was facing, because she don't know, she have no idea about anything about English. She was from government school. So I was, that time I have decided, I was just thinking that she have spent a lot of money in learning English. I'm not going to do that. So I just went on to YouTube, and I have searched several videos how to learn English, and what to do, what to not do. So from there I got to know that we need to talk. If we want to swim, we need to jump into the water. Until and unless we will not jump into the water, we are not going to learn swimming. Similarly, this is also happen in English. While talking in English, we need to, if we want to speak, if we want to correct our spoken English, we need to speak. Without speaking, we are not going to improve our spoken English. That was the thing which I was like bang on. It is very nice. I was watching English podcast, and there I got to know about this line. So it was like, you need to record yourself for at least 2 minutes, or for at least 5 minutes. How much time you will decide, that's up to you, but start from 1 minute. But I was like, I started to record myself 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and I was like, I am just taking so many pauses in that 1 minute also. But I have practiced to, I keep on when I was not recording myself, I just keep on saying things that, oh, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, whatever I was doing that time, at that present time, I'm brushing my teeth. So I was like, it's right in the morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Right now I'm brushing my teeth, I am having water, I am opening the door of the refrigerator. I was keep on trying to keep on saying all these sentences into my mind. So from there I get little confidence of recording myself. So I was like, now I am able to like speak something, some sentences I'm speaking, I'm able to. I was not thinking about anything that I'm wrong or right. I was not at all thinking about all these things. I was just keep on saying things, was just repeating everything. And then I thought of starting a channel. Why not start our own channel? But I was that time I have not think about the subscriber and anything. I'm not thinking about that. But the main purpose of my opening a channel was to speak and was to improve myself. So I started. There was like no one was watching my videos. It was even a single person in starting. I was like, let it be, I just want to record myself. I was recording and I was free because I was like, nobody is watching, and I was very happy that nobody is there to judge me. And I keep on like requesting, please don't judge my English. If I am wrong, please don't demotivate me. I just want to be motivated all the time. If you are gonna tell me that you are not speaking well, you are doing so many mistakes, I just like, everybody feels very hesitant about it. But thank God there was nobody who was like demotivated me. So I was recording myself, and starting I was recording myself very regularly, and I was very dedicated. But once I was like, I had a feeling that now I'm able to speak little bit. So I was just taking it very lightly. And again I was like, what you are doing, you need to improve yourself. You are able to speak, I'm not denying that. I was talking to myself that you are able to speak, but it doesn't mean you are speaking in a correct way. So from there I have started to working upon my grammar, and now I'm attending free classes of Ajay sir, and that is also helping me a lot. And he has given me a work to answer question, WH question, which is 1000 of sentences he has given me. But he told me that if you are gonna practice, like he told to all the students who were attending his class, that if you really want to be fluent, you need to answer at least 500 question. Out of 1000 question, you need to answer 500 question. So I was like, no, I can do that. So I have completed my like 160 question yesterday, and today I will also complete 160 question. So total of is going to be 340. I'm right? 340. 340 or 80, whatever. I'm just not going to answer. So 160 and 160 today. Anyhow, I'm going to complete up to 320 question. So before that, I don't know why my nose is just, I'm feeling, I want to scratch my nose. It is just itching. Just let it be. So this was the thing which I have done. I have talked to, like, I'm continuously talking from 30 minutes. Can you imagine how much? This is a great achievement for me. And if you want to like talk, like if you want to be fluent, please try to talk to yourself. Talk to yourself as much as you can. Whether you are talking correctly, whether you are talking not correctly, means you are wrong or what. Nobody is there to judge you. You are yourself. Like you are, if you are talking to yourself, there is nobody else who is going to judge you. So start with that. Start talking with and yourself and record yourself. Even if you don't want to upload it on social media and anywhere, you can just talk to yourself and record yourself, and when you have like listened to it, then just delete it. Nobody is going to judge you. So start with this, recording yourself and talking to yourself, and try to define your day. Explain your day, what you have done from morning to night, what you do from morning to night. Like if I am going to explain my day, what I do from morning to night, I'm like, right in the morning I wake up at 7 o'clock. I clear my bed. I clear my bed, and then I just went into the kitchen. I washed my face, and I just come out of the kitchen, and I do my brush. I do brush, and then I took bath. I go into the kitchen and cook food for everybody, and then I came upstairs in my room. I sit over there, I switch on the TV, I binge watch a show, and after that I attend my English classes. And after attending my English classes, I do 50 to 60 minutes of practice, question practice, and sentences practice. I do translation and everything. I do it, whatever I do, in vowel. While speaking, I keep on speaking a lot with myself. And after doing all these things, when it's about to evening, even in evening, I again prepare dinner for my family, and then I talk to my family. I enjoy my session. I enjoy my time spending time with my family. After that, I went into my room. I just go to bed. So these are the things which I normally do in my day. So these are the things which I do. So this is how you can explain your day. And as I'm speaking, I have explained my day, you can do it too. So I think that's all for today. I will record myself in the night, 2 videos more. I just don't want to say anything right now, because it took me 33 minutes has completed now. Till then, bye guys. Bye.